Which part of the kidney consists of multitubular conical masses called medullary pyramids? A. Medulla. B. Renal corpuscle. C. Cortex. D. Hilum. The correct answer is A. Medulla. What is a characteristic of energy loss when distributing current in the form of alternating current, AC? A. It is negligible. B. It is significant. C. It varies greatly depending on distance. D. It is moderate. The correct answer is A. It is negligible. What does cockade refer to in the text? A. A type of weapon. B. A historical document. C. A formal notice. D. A ribbon worn on a hat. The correct answer is D. A ribbon worn on a hat. What type of plant body dominates the life cycle of pteridophytes? A. Zygote. B. Haploid. C. Sporophyte. D. Gametophyte. The correct answer is C. Sporophyte. Achieving true sustainability requires balancing which factors? A. Economic, technological, and environmental. B. Economic, social, and environmental. C. Economic, political, and social. D. Environmental, social, and cultural. The correct answer is B. Economic, social, and environmental. What elements are found in a carbohydrate? A. Carbon, nitrogen, and sulfur. B. Carbon, oxygen, and phosphorus. C. Carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. D. Nitrogen, hydrogen, and oxygen. The correct answer is C. Carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Where can one find information on various nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and proteins, according to the ICT Corner? A. Delhi Government website. B. WHO website. C. FAO website. D. ICMR Nutri Guide. The correct answer is D. ICMR Nutri Guide. Which of the following is a conurbation city in Haryana? A. Chennai. B. Noida. C. Faridabad. D. Mumbai. The correct answer is C. Faridabad. What does the Indian state pledge regarding the establishment of a religion? A. It will only establish a minority religion. B. It will not establish a religion of its own. C. It will establish a religion of its own. D. It will establish multiple state religions. The correct answer is B. It will not establish a religion of its own. How many years are typically required for the listed management courses? A. 4 years. B. 1 year. C. 2 years. D. 3 years. The correct answer is D. 3 years. Who is identified as a poetess from the text? A. Veni Kuyathyar. B. Kari. C. Ori. D. Pegin. The correct answer is A. Veni Kuyathyar. Which of the following is a heavy metal mentioned as a toxin? A. Arsenic. B. Calcium. C. Sodium. D. Potassium. The correct answer is A. Arsenic. Which category includes the Brahmins? A. Tantras. B. Agamas. C. Smriti. D. Shruti. The correct answer is D. Shruti. Besides Brazil, which other South American countries grow large quantities of coffee? A. Colombia and Venezuela. B. Ecuador and Guyana. C. Peru and Bolivia. D. Chile and Argentina. The correct answer is A. Colombia and Venezuela. Which of the following is not a type of joint classified by movement? A. Movable. B. Slightly movable. C. Fixed. D. Elastic. The correct answer is D. Elastic. In artificial disintegration, what is the term for the particle used to initiate the process? A. Product particle. B. Target nucleus. C. Projectile. D. Ejected particle. The correct answer is C. Projectile. Which of the following is formed by deposition of eroded materials? A. Cliffs. B. Plateaus. C. Low-lying areas. D. High mountains. The correct answer is C. Low-lying areas. In which language were the Agama Sutras written? A. Ardha Magdhi Prakrit. B. Pali. C. Hindi. D. Sanskrit. The correct answer is A. Ardha Magdhi Prakrit. What is karst topography formed due to the action of? A. Groundwater. B. Glacier. C. Sea waves. D. Wind. The correct answer is A. Groundwater. What is a DNA fragment inserted during rDNA techniques called? A. Plasmid. B. Transgene. C. Genome. D. Vector. The correct answer is B. Transgene. What is another name for the coastal plains of Tamil Nadu? A. Coromandel or Cholamandalam Plain. B. Malabar Plain. C. Konkan Plain. D. Northern Circus. The correct answer is A. Coromandel or Cholamandalam Plain. From whom did Francis Day obtain Madras as a lease in 1639? A. Channappa Nayak. B. The Dutch East India Company. C. The Nawab of Erkot. D. The ruler of Golconda. The correct answer is A. Channappa Nayak. What special force of the UN has acted in many areas? A. The UN Cultural Heritage Preservation Unit. B. The UN Economic Development Fund. C. The UN Disaster Relief Team. D. The UN Peacekeeping Force. The correct answer is D. The UN Peacekeeping Force. Where was plaster of Paris named after due to abundant gypsum found nearby? A. London. B. Berlin. C. Rome. D. Paris. The correct answer is D. Paris. What type of environment does the described plant grow in? A. Forest floor. B. Water. C. Desert sand. D. Dry soil. The correct answer is B. Water. What concept helps students differentiate between different electrical setups? A. Analyzing wire thickness. B. Measuring current speed. C. Understanding circuit types. D. Identifying conductor materials. The correct answer is C. Understanding circuit types. Where is hydrogen collected during the electrolysis of water? A. Neither anode nor cathode. B. Anode. C. Cathode. D. Both anode and cathode equally. The correct answer is C. Cathode. The table provides data for which ocean? A. All of the above. B. Southern Ocean. C. Arctic Ocean. D. Indian Ocean. The correct answer is A. All of the above. How is the mass of a molecule of an element or compound measured? A. In the N14 scale. B. In the O16 scale. C. In the C12 scale. D. In the H1 scale. The correct answer is C. In the C12 scale. What is the highest rainfall recorded in Mawasynram? A. 10,000 millimeters. B. 12,700 millimeters. C. 11,871 millimeters. D. 15,000 millimeters. The correct answer is C. 11,871 millimeters. How did you score?